How to add clickable buttons to your website slider. Adding clickable buttons to your slider is a powerful way to boost engagement and guide visitors to key pages. Let's walk through how to do it without any coding. Start by opening your slider editor and selecting the slide you want to edit. Choose the Add Layer option and select the button element. Most slider tools offer a variety of button styles you can customize. After adding your button, position it where you want on the slide. You can align it center, left, right, or anywhere depending on your layout. Next, add the click action. You'll typically find an option to input a URL, choose a page, or even trigger a pop-up or action within your site. Be sure to open external links in a new tab for better usability. Customize the text, color, padding, and font to match your website's branding. Don't forget to style the hover effect. It gives your button a more interactive feel. If needed, you can also animate your button using entrance effects like slide in or bounce. This helps it catch the visitor's eye. Once finished, preview your slider and click the button to ensure it works as expected. We've linked some awesome slider templates in the video description that already include clickable buttons, perfect for CTAs, links or forms. Check them out to speed up your workflow.